Welcome back for another FTT price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, FTT continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also losing support at the $4.95 mark, which has been acting as support, and the moment we lose that area of support, maybe with a retest, there are chances that we can easily see a massive breakdown to support at the $4 in the next coming hours. FTT has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and before I get to the Elliot wave analysis, allow me to first give you the fundamental news that we have for the course of the week. And getting to Forex Factory so that you can see those news. This week we have the CPI data, the PPI, and also the FOMC meeting. And those are the key events that I'm expecting to give us a lot of volatility in the next coming hours. And you can easily see that we have them on Tuesday and also on Wednesday. And as a result of these moves, I'm expecting volatile moves in the next coming hours. And getting back to the charts to now give you my Elliot wave analysis, by just giving you a recap, you can see that FTT last year after the FTX collapse, we saw this breakdown move taking us to new all-time lows. And after getting those lows, we had been stuck within this 1-year range between the $1.5 mark and the $0.96 mark. And finally this year in November, we finally saw the breakout to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the $5.6 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expect next is a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2. And we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of that wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And after getting into the minimum target area, you can see that we saw a reaction of that, started to see a break above areas of resistances, and yesterday we saw another breakout getting above the $6 mark. And at the time of this recording, we are now seeing a bit of a pullback where we have now lost support at the $4.95 mark. And I have said to you that in case this pullback continues, then support lies at $4, and as long as that continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back, breaking above resistances, continue gearing up, get above the $6 mark, and possibly fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, we can get minimum target areas for the second wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $10, which is the minimum that you can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. Also using the fib ratios 1:1, we can also have a target area at the $7.47 mark, and a break above that, then we can easily see FTT get above the $10 in the next coming hours. Alternatively, remember that in case further breakdown continues, maybe losing support at the $4 in the next coming hours, maybe even continue heading further down to the $3 mark, then there are high chances that we can easily turn bearish and even unlock a more bearish scenario here on the FTT chart, in a worst case scenario that can easily give us a massive breakdown to our 1-year range between the $1.56 mark and the $0.96 mark. That is the worst case scenario that we need to have in mind in case we lose significant areas of support. But as long as we continue holding within this area between the $3.26 mark and the $1.94, we can still expect higher prices. And that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you.